This OVB Quick Start Guide is focused on using the filter to find a specific category. So I'm going to go here to the top under Therapy Categories and click underneath. So now you'll see on the left-hand side all of our umbrella categories. So since we're focusing on academics, I'm going to click on Letter and Word. And then here you have all the subcategories that we offer. So you can go ahead and click Select All Letter and Word, and then you can scroll down here and see on each card, you'll see the subcategory. So we have quite a few. And then oftentimes we will have activities that have lots of different skills. And so, for example, Cicada Wheel has a ton of activities, but also specifically for this video, we have sight word practice and alphabetizing. So then after you've seen everything we offer, you can go ahead and click this arrow. It takes you to the top. You can clear all letter and word, and then we can take a look at math. So same thing, these are our subcategories. You can select all and then scroll down here to see what we have to offer. Again, looking at the card itself for the subcategories. Okay, this concludes using the Activity Explorer's filter system.